Today I'm going to show you how to make some Brazilian nut milk. So the ingredients you're going to need 1 cup of Brazilian nuts soaked overnight. You're going to need some vanilla extract. You're going to need some cinnamon, agave syrup, some natural spring water, some pink Himalayan salt. You're going to need a glass container. You're going to need a milk bag, strainer. So first what you want to do is you want to take your cup of Brazilian nuts, put them in the blender. You're going to take 5 cups of water, that's about 40 ounces. You want about 1/4 cup of agave, I already measured it. Then you got your cinnamon, this is a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now you also want to put in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And just a pinch of Himalayan salt for some minerals. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and blend this up. And I'm going to go ahead and pour this milk into the milk bag. The reason is because you're going to have all that pulp from the nuts in there. Then pour this back in there. The reason why I poured it back in there, because it just makes it a lot easier to pour it into your glass container. I had some water in here, that's why it's wet like that. Just like that, Brazilian nut milk. Thanks for watching my video on Brazilian nut milk. I made this video because I understand that a lot of us don't understand how easy it is to make these products that we use in our home every day. We have the ability to ascend to our higher selves and control our own destiny. And I just want to be a part of that awakening for you. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share with a friend, and continue to follow me as I introduce you to more recipes that I learned transitioning to a plant-based diet. Again, I'm Maurice Taylor. Ashe.
I'm on a mission to Mars, and I'll be gone for quite a while. And when you look to the stars, you're gonna see me in the sky. Cause I'm out of this world, I might be out of my mind, but till the day that I die, I'ma go hard.